If you clicked on this video, chances are you're struggling to find clients consistently. And in this video, I'll be showing you my exact strategies that I use to find clients on Instagram. So whether you're a freelancer or an agency, these strategies will also be applicable to you. Hey friends, welcome back to my video. If you're new to this channel, my name is Olisa and I'm a web designer. I help entrepreneurs create websites that convert. So in this video, it will be broken into two parts. The first part is getting the potential client data, and then the second part is the outreach. So I've linked the documents that I'll be using in this video to the description so you can download them and follow along. Now, huge shout out to Patrick Spiegel. The first part of getting the potential client data was really inspired by him and helped me to actually change some of my strategies that I use in getting clients. And I'm going to link the video where he spoke about it in the description. So make sure to check it out later on. The first thing is to get the potential client data. And first of all, you need to be able to understand who you serve. You need to be able to understand the industry that you serve as a web designer, not just a web designer designing for any niche. So in this first method, we're going to focus strictly on a particular niche. So getting straight into the document, you can see the document here, which is using Google search and ChatGPT. So the very first thing that we will do is to search on Google the clients that we want and their location and the niche. So we're going to copy this and then come over to Google, paste this. Now we're going to edit this. So where it says social platform link, I'm going to change this to Instagram.com. And then for the niche, my niche would be hair extensions. So I'm going to focus on websites for people that serve for hair extension entrepreneurs or hair extension businesses. And then again, I want to get their email, so the Gmails. And then the location. Now, this depends on the location that you're targeting, so it's specific. So the location I'm going to be targeting would be Florida, and then I'm going to hit enter. So what happens here is that Google provides the Instagram accounts for all businesses that are hair extension entrepreneurs. And then you can see that it's page 1 to 10. So each page has a different set, but in this particular method that we're using, we're going to scrape the data page by page. Now, there's a better way to scrape all the data at once. And again, it's in the video of Patrick Spiegel that I'm going to link in the description. So what I'm going to do here, now that it's brought out all this list of Instagram handles, is that on your keyboard, we're going to do Command A for Mac and copy everything and then head straight to ChatGPT. And then in ChatGPT, I'm going to paste whatever I copied and then come back to my document, copy this particular step where it says open ChatGPT and enter the prompt. Come back straight into ChatGPT and go all the way to the top and paste it right there. Hit enter. So what is happening now is that you can see that ChatGPT is just gathering the whole data and putting them in a spreadsheet format. So it's going to bring out the Instagram handles, it's going to bring out the website, it's going to bring out the emails. Some of these Instagram accounts, some of them don't have emails that we're going to reach out to, and some don't have phone numbers. We're going to copy this. First of all, let's check out this particular Kate word that has an email, a phone number. Let's check out the Instagram to make sure that what Google is giving us is actually correct. Exactly. So now you can see this is the handle and it has 52,000 followers. And then you can see that it's straight up a hair extension handle. And then you can see here that they have a website where they list out things. So what I can do is that just to be curious, just for curiosity's sake, I'm going to click on this and see whether I can find anything on the website. And now the website has opened up and then I can see what the website is all about. Go back to my ChatGPT. Again, I copy the information and then I go to a Google spreadsheet and paste that on a spreadsheet. Now that we have this information, the next thing that we're going to do is that we're going to go straight to the outreach. And that is where the magic starts happening. So what is going to happen is that I'm going to take this keyword and then hop into my email system and then send them an email. Now, the cold email that I will first send to them is, again, remember that I've already looked at their website and then I've seen the things that are not right, things that needs to be better. So what I'm gonna do now is that I'm going to go straight to the email and send them a cold email. Now, here's my sample cold email that I send to my prospects that converts. Now, first of all, you want to lead with value. Make sure that you're offering something and make sure that you're pointing them towards something that they do not know or something that they didn't thought of or something that helps them to increase their client base or something that helps them to sell more products depending on what the website does. So basically what I'm gonna do is that I'm going to copy this, put it in my email system with a particular subject and then send it out. Now, when I send out this email, again, some of the information in this email is redacted, which is where exactly the value goes in. Now, if you look at this email at this point, it says, if you find this helpful, but you don't have time to implement these changes yourself, I'd be happy to assist. And then it goes further to say, I can handle all the improvements by saving you time and ensuring everything is done right. Schedule a free consultation call. Now, the whole idea of your email is not for you to close them on the email. The whole idea is for you to point out the issues the things that are wrong with their website, and then schedule a call with them so that you can discuss some of these issues and make sure that they understand, because again, you're seeing the information from an outsider's perspective. But when you hop into a consultation call with them, it sort of like gives you more insights. At least you have more insight for you to be able to create a holistic process for them or be able to solve the problems that they are facing on their website. So that is what you want your emails to do. So what we are gonna do is that I'm gonna send out this email to a particular prospect, and then 9 times out of 10, you're gonna get a response, and then you're gonna move ahead to schedule a call. However, when you send out this email, there's something else that you need to do, which is send out a cold DM to the particular handle. And these are some of the cold DMs that I send out to. Again, just like the cold email, always lead with value. Again, you can get this particular cold DM and cold email. Just make sure that you hit the link in the description and then you can follow along. For the cold DM, what you want to do is that you want to, again, just like the cold email, provide value to these people. So what I'm gonna do with Kate Ward is that I'm going to look at her Instagram, like a couple of pictures or a couple of posts and make comments, and then come to her DM and then send her one of these messages or one of these DMs, just copy and paste. So basically what this does is that it gives them a nudge that this is the account that sent them an email that they received earlier. And now they know who you are and they are able to understand that this is a real person and not a bot. Again, you need to make sure that your own Instagram account you have a couple of posts there that shows your work and shows you interacting and talking about your work. So people would want to engage with other people and not just bots. So you also have to keep that in mind. When I send out this email to my prospective leads, what happens is that for the emails that don't go ahead to convert, or for the people that maybe they are not ready within their journey to move ahead and make those changes that I preferred, what is going to happen is that you're going to send a 3-sequence email to them. Again, these things are linked in the description. You're going to send a 3-sequence email to them, and these will be broken out on intervals. And this is where you use your email sending systems, like maybe Omnisend. I use Klaviyo. You can use Omnisend, Klaviyo, or the likes, and then to send out these emails in sequences. That way, you give discounts or you put people on, just give them a nudge to be able to book for those services. And that is how I find and close clients on Instagram. Now, if you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, check out the description for the documents that I use so that you can follow along. And also, if you want to see how I apply these changes to optimize clients' websites for better conversions, check out this video here, and I'll see you there.